Hi, I'm Lesley Greening. For my video today, I'd just like to give you a quick overview as to project management methodology and which one to use. Sometimes it's predetermined as to what method you have to use. Maybe the organisation decides, or you inherit a project already underway, so you have to go with the system already in place. But it's important to consider which is the best method. Now, the most popular ones really are Waterfall and Agile. You've probably heard of the names before. So Waterfall, now this is the oldest methodology. It has a linear approach, so it's tasks finishing one after the other or starting one after the other. And it has a phased approach, so you have the concept, feasibility, design, development, etc. Now, this focuses a lot on requirements. So it needs upfront planning. It needs to be sure of what the project is delivering. Now, there's other methods that are within this, which is the critical path or the critical chain method. And these use linear approach as well. And they also require a lot on upfront planning of requirements gathering and analysis. But it does allow for more management of the time and resources. Now, for the Agile, this is more fast and flexible approach. There's no front-end hefty requirements gathering analysis needed. It's iterative with small incremental changes. So this helps to respond to change in requirements. It includes things like Scrum, where this uses short predetermined sprints of work and then meetings to discuss what went well and what didn't go well, and then you go forward from there. It's used a lot in software development, and as you come to the testing you realise that there's bugs and issues, so you go back and iron out those bugs and issues. It's a repetitive, iterative cycle. Now, Kanban is also an agile method, and this is a very visual method to show where current tasks are in the process. And you normally have a Kanban board, and you can have it on a computer or you can have it on the wall, or both. So which method should you use? Okay, for Agile, you use that for undefined projects and ones that will have ever-changing requirements. That helps to produce work faster. The Kanban gives you an improvement in production process and helps to alleviate bottlenecks. Now, the Waterfall is for a more linear workflow when it's clearer what has to be delivered. It's for projects with more fixed time, scope and budget, and it's a very controlled environment. Lean is another one which attempts to eliminate waste, and this one is mainly used in manufacturing, and it aligns with the just-in-time process. So this is just a quick overview of the main methods that are used in project management. I hope it's given you a little bit of clarification. Thank you very much for listening. Until the next time, bye for now.